Your neck completes your upper body presence. I'm not big, but my neck makes me look stronger. And this isn't about just looks. Your neck carries your head all day. And with today's forward leaning posture, sitting and screens, that load increases. Training your neck improves posture, reduces strain, and helps ease neck and upper back discomfort. And make your upper body look solid even in a plain t-shirt. You stand taller without trying and you carry yourself differently. Neck training should feel controlled, not aggressive. Every strong neck starts with flexion. Sit tall in a chair with your shoulders and back relaxed, looking straight ahead. Place a finger on your chin to help guide the movement. Now gently glide your head straight back, creating a double chin, keeping your finger in place and eyes level. Hold this retracted position for 5 seconds. Now slowly bring your chin forward back to your finger. Don't tuck your chin down to your chest. Focus on moving your head backward. You can also do this standing by pressing the back of your head against the wall. If you feel discomfort, reduce the amount of force. Neck extension restores balance and counters forward head posture from sitting and screens. Lie on your back with a towel or a yoga mat rolled under your upper back. Now move your head backward and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Then return to neutral position. Think long neck, not crunched. You should feel a stretch in the front part of your neck. Don't let your neck move too forward. Maintain a slight tension in the front muscles of your neck when you come back up. You can also do this while lying at the end of a bed or a sofa. You can support the back of your head with one hand if this is too tough. Your neck doesn't just move front to back, it moves sideways too. Lie on your back and slide your head upward. Slightly brace and turn your neck towards the side. Return to starting position and turn to the other side. Small range, slow tempo, no jerking, no collapsing. If you're having a tough time, you can rest your head between moving sides or between reps. Start by scooting to the edge of the bed and let your arm and shoulder hang over the edge. Let your head hang and relax and then come back up. Nice and slow, up and down. We're working the muscles on the side of the neck. In all these isometric neck exercises, your hands will be providing resistance, trying to oppose the movement as you drive your head into them. Use slight pressure and push against your hand's resistance and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. While performing these exercises, always remember to stay tall and constantly breathe throughout the exercise. If any exercise causes pain or uneasiness, stop doing right away. These exercises are meant to strengthen the muscles in your neck while relieving the pain and stiffness in your neck. Build your neck for strength first and presence comes with it.